Alright, so I got a check engine light on again, and I have plugged my reader here in, and I'm getting p0157 O2 sensor, low voltage, bank 2, sensor 2/2, which I guess means bay 2, which is going to be here on the driver's side, and sensor 2 of 2, which is down below. There are two sensors, one right here for the catalytic converter, and then there is one behind this bar just farther down there. Sort of see it. And anyway, I thought it would be easy. I thought I could reach down from up here and take it out, but that is proving to be a little difficult. So I think the thing to do is take the wheel off, because when you peel this back, you got a pretty straight shot at it. You can see sensor 1 up close and then 2 farther back. So I think I am going to pull the wheel off. I have purchased a new oxygen sensor to just replace this one. It's pretty straightforward. I've also got this proprietary tool. I guess you slip over the cable and then down onto the socket, so you can loosen that thing out of there and then snug it up when you get the new one in. Alright, so I got my tire removed. Now I'm going to take this plastic piece off somehow. There's these clips here, 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 kind of holding it in. I'm going to pop those out. So I am going to take my whatever. So it's just held in with these little clips right here. So I'm going to take my clip removal tool and just sort of pry up under there and pop them out. Alright, got that guy out. Went ahead and took this one out. I found one over here at the top on the opposite side. Okay, I had to kind of pop this end off, but once I did that, it pretty much just pulls down. Attached somewhere over here, but I think I can just push it out of my way. Alright, shit. I think I broke that one, but whatever. I can pull it back now, and I have a nice clear. There's my front one. Clear shot of the one I'm looking for right here. I can easily now follow his wire. Looking at it from the top, I am just gonna follow that wire going back, and it connects right here. Okay, so I just pushed this tab down and wiggled it free, and it should now come apart. Now, easier. And now we have it unplugged. We'll pop it free of these little brackets. Okay, back down behind our wheel, looking at it. All the cable we just unplugged. We got this little clip right here. Out of that. This little clip was kind of a pain in the ass. I pulled it out of the frame. Had this little thing hold it in, and it just pulled out. But the end wouldn't pull through, so I had to use a screwdriver to just wedge this thing open, so now I can get my cable free. That'd be a big deal. It's just kind of hard access. Now I got my cable. I'm going to take out my sensor. Got my sensor removal tool on my ratchet. Okay, well, it's kind of a pain in the ass to break loose, but once it broke loose, it just threaded right out by hand, and now I got it out. Comparing it to the new one, one appears to be made slightly different. I don't know enough about these to see if that's actually damaged or not, but I am going to put the new one in and we'll see. Alright, just tightened that. Give it a good quarter turn or so. Couldn't find a torque spec. Should be tight. I am going to now just reroute the cable as it was. Do this little fitting, and I will stick it back in the spot right there and plug it in. Alright. Reinstallation was much easier than removal. Secured in place. Cable goes through this little holder, and I have plugged them back in right here. You hear a little click right at the end, and that should be secure. Alright, now I'm just going to try to shove this flash guard piece or whatever back into place. These things actually go in a lot easier than they came out. Just sort of line the plastic hole up with the other hole and then just stick it in, which is of course what she said. My 2mm bolt back into place right here. Alright, got the tire back on. See if we got our code cleared. What do you think? Alright, just cleared the codes. I'm gonna restart it. Alright, just restarted the Jeep, and check engine light is off for now. Still got plenty others to worry about, but one down for today.